Scotty, are you in Corvette hell?
Oh, yeah, you could say that again.
But the tank's getting there.
This is an absolute nightmare.
Yeah, because they're not built correctly. They're built too big. Which we've had this conversation. Do you need to dive down there? Or do you want me up here?
No, I kind of... You're my guidance from above.
Oh, shit. Whoa! Okay, now you're square in the hole.
Okay, well, I need to get the backside past the C channel.
So do we need to pull it
That
down?
bumper.
Do we need to pull it down and beat the side closer to the seats? Flat? Yeah?
Yeah, I think we're going to do some hammering again.
All right. More beatings. Here, Scotty, why don't you set it on the creeper? You climb out and just lay it on the creeper.
Can't. We'll snap
Oh, fuck.
this,
Okay.
this line.
All right, well, I'm going to try not to crack you in the head with a hammer. How about that?
Okay, so let's do...
All this needs to get pounded in. You can see.
Yeah.
Stupid fucking junk shit.
Can we just try and bend that a little bit?
Yeah, both of them.
Yeah, if we can bend that, I think I could
Because
probably
that's where
do
we're
it.
hanging. Yeah, all right.
Because I'm wondering, before you do that, let me give one more try.
Yeah, take a look first. Because I had to already get this end done. You saw that there. Scotty was using his hands and feetsies a minute ago, and he was actually picking the car up. I'm like, damn. Gentlemen, he's single.
You're a dick.
Looks like you're ready to take one.
Nope. Not mine.
You okay? You alive?
Yeah.
Sorry, we were having a laugh. I apologize.
Are we past the C channel?
It's definitely right here.
Okay, so that's the issue. We've got to smack those tips in.
Look at that, see? Yeah, that's fucking you. Because if that was flat, and if we go around the whole thing, it's down a little bit. But that for sure is fucking us.
Okay. So,
It's a brand new gas tank.
give me some hammery.
Piece of shit. All right, after a lot of beating and bending and trimming and beating and bending and banging and getting the edges of the stupid tank folded over so the damn thing actually fits, it was quite the breeze to put in, eh, Scotty?
Yeah, but this is where it's going to get really, really nice for Scotty.
Ooh, ooh.
Do we see what's happening here, people?
Yeah.
The back end is done, which
Yep.
means it can go back on two wheels out of four. I've got 3 things to tinker with underneath.
We gotta figure out
But-
this antenna mess.
That's not going to happen until I see the wiring harness for the stereo, and I can feed that through without a problem and not have to worry about having it up in the air anymore.
Nice.
So now when the client comes to look at their car, they're going to see some massive changes, all for the better. All for the better. And for those of you, these are killer Keystones from back in the day.
Scotty likes those.
Oh yes, very much so. On the right car, I think they will look absolutely wonderful. And the client loves them, so we love them. Plain and simple, and that's all it's about. Customer happy, we happy. Customer not happy, well, you know how the saying goes, but whatever.
Yeah.
Yes! Tires going on, tires going on.
Scotty may or may not be a little excited.
Doop.
That's the spirit.